So this probably is the best expansion kit for the Osmo Pocket 3, and here's why. Mabuhay Tasters! Welcome to Taste Visuals. If you are new to this channel and you're kind of interested in filmmaking, tech gear reviews, digital art, and a few travel vlogs, this is the channel for you. And make sure you subscribe and tap that bell there so you get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. Alright, let's talk about the Ulanzi PK-06 and what is the advantage of having that compared to the other expansion kits for the Osmo Pocket 3. So if you are an Osmo Pocket 3 user, an expansion kit like this is a must, because with the expansion kits you will definitely be able to do more than just holding this gimbal. Now this is the Ulanzi PK-06. It is metal built and it's really easy to attach to your Osmo Pocket 3. And if you're worried if this is going to scratch it, definitely not, because it has some rubber padding inside. So all you have to do is just slide it in like this until the opening for the button and the joystick is aligned. Once it's aligned, you just have to lock it like this, and you got yourself an expansion kit. Now, a friend of mine asked me, what does this thing do? Now, most expansion kits for the OP3 in the market right now has a GoPro mount, and it's a good thing that Ulanzi thought of this hinge GoPro mount. Now, the other advantage of the PK-06 is the mounting points for the Action 2 quick release magnetic mount like this. So I got here the Ulanzi OA11. As you can see, this works with the Action 2, but this also works with the PK-06 like this. Now once it's magnetized, you can just secure the clamp on the side, on the grooves over there, and as you can see, it's really sturdy. So on this side, you got here a cold shoe mount for mounting microphones or portable lights, but you can also use this as a mounting option for the Action mount. And also on the other side, there is also some grooves there on where you can mount this, and this gives you a lot of options to mount this thing. Like in my case, I put this on top of my mirrorless camera. Now with this combo, we got here a wide angle stabilized shot and a handheld shot that I can zoom in and zoom out. Just by looking at this thing, you can see the advantage already. Now this is not the only thing that you can do. Now you can attach it like this. So now you got yourself a 16:9 aspect ratio and a 9:16 aspect ratio on the Osmo Pocket 3. So whenever your client needs both aspect ratio, this too already got you covered. How awesome is that, Tasters? Also, the Ulanzi PK-06 has a 1/4 inch screw at the back, so you can mount pretty much anything in here, like a tripod quick release plate like this. As you can see, we got here a tripod for our Osmo Pocket 3, and that is what the Ulanzi PK-06 can do. Of course, I've already tested this on a few occasions and it works really well. I mean, this combo, it's a lifesaver, and I can't really ask for more, especially if you don't want to bring a full-size gimbal. Especially if the location is well lit, this Osmo Pocket 3 is enough. And paired with the zoom lens, this brings your creative output to a whole new level. Also, before I forget, for some of you who are already using a Sunny Life case, it is compatible with the Ulanzi PK-06, and as you can see, it fits really well. And if you're also wondering if you can attach the extended battery or just the dummy handle, yes, it can also be used together. And what I also like about this is that it comes with this hand strap, and it's already attached to the PK-06. And we all know how hard to install the hand strap that came with the Osmo Pocket 3, and I never did successfully put it on my Osmo Pocket 3. So thank you, Ulanzi, for including this on the PK-06. It is still pocketable, it's still slim, it doesn't eat too much space. Unlike when I put this on, this thing really is a pain whenever I'm putting this on my bag or even on my pocket. And that's it, tasters. If you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in these kind of contents, make sure you subscribe and tap that bell there so you get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. This is Taste Visuals, and together, let's explore, learn, create, and share. See you on my next video. Taste Visuals, out.